Want to join a virtual event hosted by Meta? Sometime later this month, Meta will be hosting a virtual event that'll feature a couple of its internal experts discussing various approaches on how it plans to use AI in building the metaverse. Just what we need, more metaverse talk, a concept that Meta themselves said would supposedly take years to fully develop, yet we seem to be getting updates left and right. But I digress. Anyone who's keen on getting more insight about the metaverse would find a lot of merit in attending. It's said that Meta will be exploring various key elements in the event and would feature sessions like delivering inclusive technologies through translations, building responsible AI, and the path to human-level intelligence. Sounds very futuristic and techy, which is what the metaverse concept seemingly embodies, at least for the most part. There might be more to the event than what we take at face value, but the real thing here is that the metaverse is still primarily just a concept. No one knows what it is, and only Meta really has an idea about its direction and development. The event might offer more insight as to what the metaverse is, or at least what it'll be, allowing you to better align your current strategies with coming shifts. Is AI even really needed for the metaverse? What role would it play, and what would it mean for our overall experience? Those are questions that I'm afraid will only be answered once the metaverse finally gets here. Until then, it'd be best to attend similar events so that we form more accurate speculations. In any case, if you're not into AR or VR yet, it's probably worth getting into now, as these will definitely be core metaverse elements. I wonder if attendance would be via avatars. I gotta start checking out my virtual look, just in case.